Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to check out the June Macy's Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with Macy's Beauty Box, it is a $15 a month subscription. It will include samples and sometimes full-size items from the Macy's Beauty department. You usually will get a coupon for future Macy's Beauty purchase. You will usually get a free surprise item, and you will usually get a perfume sample or two. So let's check and see what our usuals are today. The Macy's box is a trial to me. It comes very stuck together. This one's actually not as bad as normal. Okay, this one's not too bad. Okay, so inside we have our coupon. Oh, and this one is another $10 off 40 instead of $5 off 20, which amounts to the same thing, but still. And our little packet. This is all that's in here. Usually the free item is separate from the little wrapped up part, so maybe we didn't get one this time. I did say usually, because sometimes things change with the Macy's bag. I don't always get a perfume sample, but, you know, there's always usually good stuff in here. And for a $15 price, you know, it's not bad at all. So this is all wrapped up in pink tissue paper. I'm just unrolling it. So I'm taking a quick glance in this, then there's definitely a theme in this box. We will start with the first item. This is from Kyle. I'm just going to show you. Here we go. The first product is from Kyle's, and this is a truly targeted acne cleansing solution. So if you suffer with acne, this will help you. And this is a little squeezy thing of acne serum. This is 4 milliliters of this product. So that will come in handy for anybody who wants to get rid of some acne. The next product is also from Kyle's, and I think I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying that right. An Ultra Facial Cream, and this is also from Kyle's, and this is 7 milliliters of product, so a little bit of that. The next one, can you tell what the theme is from Kyle's, and this is an SPF, and this is just a Better Screen UV Serum, and there is barely any in here. So I'm guessing this would be a face UV cream. There's 2 milliliters of product in here. And this is it also has collagen peptides in it. So definitely a single use little packet, but another Kyle's product. Kiehl's, maybe it's Kiehl's. If you know how to pronounce that, send me the phonetic spelling of it in my comments. I would love to know. This one is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. So this is actually a decent size sample. There's probably enough in here to get 2 or 3 mask uses out of it. I don't see, okay, there it is. This is a ½ ounce. So this is a decent size sample for that one. The next one is a creamy eye treatment. And this one is going to be a ½ ounce. So this is 7 milliliters. And our last item is this is the Ultra Facial Cleanser, also from Kyle's. And this is 1 ounce. So this is a 30 milliliter size. So this is a good size for a cleanser. I've said it before, these sizes and all of these, I would just use as my travel items. I would just grab, last time I went on a trip, I went through my samples and I grabbed cleanser and toner and everything I would need, my eye cream and all that from little samples, so I didn't have to take my full size ones just for the space and how much they weighed and everything. So we got, in this one, there's no perfume samples, there's no free product, but we did get 6 Kyle's sample products for our $15. Won't say it's the most exciting Macy's box ever. They are on a theme for this one. I missed my perfume samples. I missed the free surprise item. So I might have to check their website and see if they're changing their claims of what you're getting in your box, because typically you do get a surprise item and you do get perfume samples. So if they're changing it, they're changing it. It's their prerogative. We still got $15 worth of samples. So We got our 6 products. This was our Macy's beauty box for June. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. And for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.